The great thing about this system in this 2020 Audi A1 is if you've got your charging lead, you've got a USB there, and you've also got the USB-C next to it. You put your charging cable in there, the right way up. So that's plugged in there. You then plug it into your phone. And if you just give it a second, allow CarPlay without it while phone is locked, allow. So we'll do that. I've just been messing about with it. Normally it would come up on its own, but if I go to Apple CarPlay now, that's it. It's mirrored my phone screen, and you can just do anything. For instance, that screen that tells you what's playing on your audio, how long it's going to take. Oh, that's it tries to direct you to your most frequented place, which is Happy Pets and Aquatics. So, and then you've got your sat nav on this screen. So you don't have to touch your phone at all. You don't have to touch the screen. You've got voice activation here. So here we go. Navigate to PR5 4EA.
Getting directions to Higher Walton.
That's here. You don't have to press go. It will just come up on its own. So you've no need to take your hands off the steering wheel, as I say. And if you want to cancel that, if you're getting nearer home and you're fed up with the instructions, again, 2 seconds on the voice activation button. Cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.
You want to send a text, 2 seconds on voice activation. Send Barry a text.
What do you want to say to Barry?
Just demonstrating the Apple CarPlay in this 2020 Audi A1.
It says, just demonstrating the Apple Car Playlist 2021 Audi A1. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
That's it. You hear the beep there. It shows you've got a message. I'll just put it on the other screen. So if we go to the other screen, just slide across, you'll see there's a message there come up. That's the message I've just sent using voice activation. You're driving along the road, you can't look at your phone. Doesn't show you the message if you touch there. So what you do, voice activation, 2 seconds. Read messages.
Barry said just demonstrating the Apple Car Playlist 2021 Audi A1. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
That's everything.
I want to call somebody. Voice activation, 2 seconds. Call Barry.
Calling Barry, iPhone.
There you go, that's ringing me. Phone's engaged, of course, because that's me, it's phoning. So, you want to listen to music? Shuffle music.
All right, shuffling music from your Apple Music library.
You want to listen to a specific track? Not that one, for obvious reasons. 2 seconds on the voice activation. Play Sunflower.
Here's Sunflower by Post Malone and Sway Lee on Apple Music.
It's an absolutely fantastic system. Find the nearest petrol station.
One possibility I see is Texaco on Horton Lane in Preston, about a mile to your east. Do you want that one?
Yes, please.
Perfect. I can call that location or get directions to it. What would you like me to do?
Directions, please. Find the nearest charging station.
One possibility is Electric Blue on Brindle Road in Preston, about a mile to your south. Is that the one you want?
Yes.
Okay. I can call that location or get directions to it. What would you like me to do?
Directions.
Getting directions to Electric Blue. Starting route to Electric Blue.
Fantastic system.
Head northwest on Blackburn Road, then at the roundabout, turn left onto Kittling-Bourne Brow.
Cancel navigation.
Ending navigation.
Fantastic system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.